This is the Zole Kitchen Cocktail Shaker, a fantastic looking set, perfect for your home bartending or as a professional mixologist. It would also be a great gift idea for those looking to create some new drinks, from mojitos, martinis, and margaritas to tequila and iced coffees. In the box, it comes with a 24-ounce stainless steel mixer and the airtight, leak-proof stainless steel lid, so when you shake it, it does not spill. And it also has a built-in strainer and stainless steel stirring spoon with the screw design. It also includes the stainless steel two-sided cocktail jigger, and it comes with a drink-making recipe book for some awesome new drink ideas. Again, it's all stainless steel, so it looks fantastic, but it's also high quality, making it rust-proof and food-grade stainless steel, so that shine will stay shiny for a very long time. And it's all dishwasher safe, making it incredibly easy to use and easy to love, so I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.